Offer18 is an award-winning performance marketing solution for affiliate networks, advertisers, and agencies with professional tracking capabilities. It is designed specifically for performance marketers to track, optimize, and automate their campaign performance. Offer18 platform tracks all of the data points of user activity associated with a campaign, including leads, clicks, conversions, app installations, and provides a robust dashboard to clients where such information is showcased in a systematic manner. In the dashboard, clients of Offer18 can check the real-time information about their offers. They can create multiple accounts for advertisers, affiliates, and managers. In this dashboard, you will also find various types of reports with multiple data fields. It includes numerous advanced features like anti-fraud, campaign automation, link checker, smart offer, and powerful offer sync API is helping in the transformation of the performance marketing industry. Its complete white label ability allows users to promote their brand, and infinite stability helps them to grow their business. That's why the leading brands are showing their trust and continuously migrating from their existing technology providers to Offer18. Refer to the Offer18 website to obtain the latest pricing information. Additionally, for a personalized enterprise plan, please do not hesitate to get in touch with us.